Welcome to changing partly terminating and recurring decimals to fractions. This video presentation will teach you how to change decimals that have a terminating portion and a recurring portion back to a fraction. For example, let's consider the number 0.46 where the 4 is terminating and the 6 is recurring. We can simply break up that number into its two component parts, the 0.4, which is the terminating part, and the 0.06, which is the recurring part. Now, if we do so, we will then express the 0.4 as a common fraction 4/10, and then now here comes a little tip, a little trick with the recurring part. 0.06, the recurring part will be 6/9 times 1/10. Now, why times 1/10? Well, because remember, the decimal has moved, right? If it's a normal 0.6 where the 6 is recurring, that would simply be 6/9, which would reduce to 2/3, right? But because it's 0.06, we notice that the decimal point has moved one time to the left, which is the same as dividing by 10, which is also the same as multiplying by 1/10. So when we continue, 4/10 will be reduced to 2/5, 6/9 will be reduced to 2/3, and furthermore the 2 and the 10 can reduce to 1/5. So we will have 2/5 plus 1/15. Finding the LCM will be 15, and so the new numerator then will be 6 plus 1, which will give you 7/15. That is our answer. But how do we know if we are correct? Well, the good student always checks their answer. We can do so by dividing the 15 into 7. When we do so, we need to put the 0, put the decimal point at a 0. 15 into 70 will go 4 times. 4 times 15 is 60. 10 remainder. Bring down the 0. Now 15 into 100 will go 6 times. 6 times 15 is 90. 90 from 100 gives you 10 remainder. Bring down the 0. Again, 15 into 100, 6 times. 15 times 6, 90. 10 remainder, and as we can see, 7/15 will be 0.46 where only the 6 is recurring. Now, try some on your own. The first 5 are just like the example that I have explained, with a little twist for number 5. Then the second 5 from number 6 to 10, those are a little different, but if you remember my explanation, then you should be fine.